I'm hoping I'm making sense. I'm confusing myself as well. So welcome to my word, hashtag confusion. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Happy Friday, and happy Friday freebie. I love Friday freebie because I can see on my Facebook group all the projects that you make using it, and oh god, love it, love it, love it. If you're not on my Facebook group, please join, because it's a very interactive platform. There are lots of you lovely crafters that showcase your project, and everybody take inspiration from one another. So please do so. I will put the link down below. So today, because we are now towards the end of summer, as you're watching this, me and Jamie are in Italy, as you know. So of course I filmed quite a lot of videos before I went on holiday. So yeah, and when I'm coming back, I will surely and quite soon release the autumn kits, and then in the beginning of October you've got all the Christmas kits coming on the website. I know that you guys are waiting for that, and so do I, to be fair. So because we're towards the end of summer, I will probably do the last video showcasing what I call the springy, kind of like spring floral kit. Today I'm going to be playing with this page here. This is a page from Pretty in Pink kit. This is a 10 pages kit. It's £2.75. As you guys know, all my kits are super affordable. I don't believe in overcharging things when there's not need to. So that's the complete page. Is it all my kits are on an A4 page. This is the catalogue, and also you can find the catalogue on the website. So this is the page. So it's a big page, and you've got 4 cards. They are the size of an A6. Okay, so that's an A4, half in it's 2 A5s, and a quarter is an A6. So what I did, so that's an A4, I scale it down into 1 page. So on this page you get 2 pages. I'm hoping I'm making sense. I'm confusing myself as well. So welcome to my word, hashtag confusion. Right, so that's an A4. So I shrunk that into 2 halves. Okay, so when don't ask me how you do it, because every printer is different. So I print it, and the printer system asked me, Antonio, how do you print this page? And I said, do 2 pages into 1. So the system, the software automatically scale it, so you get 2. So I'm going to give this page as it is, like this, so you don't have to worry about it. I'll do all the hard work. You just need to print it out. Okay, and the reason why I've done that, because I'm going to be playing with the last few pieces. This is, I got it from last year. It's from Max Spencer, the Festive Fun, the double side puzzle. Probably going to do 2 with you today. I've got, how many I've got left? Ooh, 4. I've done loads of videos with this. And I thought we can do some puzzle. They are quite like summery, florally, pinkish, butterfly-ish, as you want to say it. And the reason why I did that, because I calculated randomly. No, I noticed, guys, that if you do print like this, this will print in exactly the same size that you can cover the puzzle pieces. Unfortunately, I can't gift you these because this is not belong to me. This is somebody else intellectual property, so I can't scan it and give it to you. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you some other pieces with that, so you can fussy cut the puzzle and then do it pretty much what I'm doing it now. So you layer in and play with that. So first thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to do off camera, guys, because again, I don't want my videos to be extremely long, and I keep saying that, and I always ended up having long videos. So annoying. So yeah, so going to do that. So basically what you guys do is glue them up. Okay, and then I found this one in my stash. No idea where they come from. There are some artificial flowers, kind of like, don't know what fabric it is, but I think they will look quite pretty with these. So I might do a cluster of 2, and maybe another one I do a cluster of 3. I need one more. So what I did, I chopped the back, because the back you got this plasticky thing. Focus on me, yeah. So I chopped them off. Put that in the bin. So we're going to do one with 2 and one with 3. Okay. Okay guys, done. What do you guys think? I mean, they're quite basic because you can put little sentiment, you can put a hole and hang it, you can put some dangling in there, you can put some paper clip on the back and use as an altered paper clips. You can do anything that you want with this, just to give you some ideas and inspirations. But I just want to show you how cute they are. I absolutely love them. As you know me, gold of course all over it, just to give it that extra detail in there. Okay guys, so as usual, how do you get the freebie? You subscribe to my newsletter and you get a Friday freebie every Friday at 9 p.m. straight to your email box. Of course, if you subscribe now, you won't get this one because this freebie is being sent as we speak at 9 p.m. on a Friday. But if you want this one, you could join my Facebook group, and then if you click on files, you get all the freebies that I have shared in the next 2 years. Or if you send me an email, just put the word freebie, I will send you all my freebie, all my catalog of freebies, and then I will automatically add you to the newsletter. Okay, right guys, have a fabulous weekend. Let me know what's your plans down below, and let me know if you're going to make these. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. Really helps as usual. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next week. And until then, stay safe and well.